Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your footage is properly exposed and color balanced. This prevents chasing green spill later. Next, make a comp and duplicate the layer, then add key light to the top copy and sample the cleanest green with the screen color eyedropper. Once done, switch key light to screen matte view to inspect the alpha, and adjust screen gain and screen balance until the subject holds cleanly and background noise is minimized. With a basic key established, refine the matte to preserve hair and fine details. Apply a matte choker or simple choker with small values, and use softness or blur to smooth edges without losing detail. Then remove color spill. Apply advanced spill suppressor, followed by a hue/saturation tweak to desaturate any residual green, and use selective curves on fringe areas to match subject tones. Make sure to toggle finish by placing your chosen background and matching perspective and scale to your subject so the composite reads as one scene. Once aligned, apply color matching, curves, levels, and a subtle grain overlay if required. These make the subject and background share the same photographic character. Render a short section to check motion, edges, and spill. If edges flicker or green remains, return to the matte, tighten choke by small increments, and rerun advanced spill suppressor. That single loop fixes most remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.